this session, I will introduce how to use .NET Aspire to create GenAI cloud native solution. My name is Kim Fei. I am Microsoft Cloud Advocate team. I focus some AI, including some SLM, Microsoft Phi-3. If you have any question, please leave your message in our live streaming chat room. I think this is the agenda. This is many topics. I will introduce some AI, some what is SLM, and how to use a different library to influence our SLM. Of course, I need to talk about more is using .NET Aspire to organize some Gen AI applications. I think the topic one is I need to talk about some .NET is very cool because our new upgrade .NET 9. You can see .NET is the cross-platform solutions. You can use .NET to create many applications in different scenarios, just a cloud, web, desktop, mobile, gaming, IoT. This is very traditional applications. Now, but this time, I think many people to focus AI. AI is very important now. You can build different apps. Of course, you can build co-pilot applications. You can build your AI agent, and then many people will talk about, okay, .NET is very cool. I know you can build a cloud, web, mobile, and desktop. But now you can say, if you are a .NET developer, you can do AI jobs. You can do AI projects. Of course, you can use some AI models to do this. You can, if you have some GPU, you can use .NET to call the GPU model, accelerate some AI models. Another thing, I think you can use the .NET to call the cloud model just like OpenAI API. But now, maybe some people say, oh, I want to build a local model in my edge devices, including my laptop, including my mobile. Of course, you can use .NET library to do this. I want to say .NET is very good tools for your AI application. If you want to use AI, please remember use .NET. Now, I think .NET 9 I announced these 2 days. Many people say, okay, has many upgrades. If you focus some performance, you can see .NET 9 has some good performance in a different scenario. But I think it can give you more intelligent functions to you. You can go to the website to access the .NET 9, to download .NET 9, to create some .NET application in with .NET 9. But this time, maybe some people to focus our different improvement. Of course, many people to focus intelligent. Microsoft.NET extension.ai library is very cool. Is the middle. It can help you to finish different scenario. This is the bridge. Help you to call a different model, different API, different scenario. You can use the Microsoft extension.ai. Of course, if you want to some tokenizer, I think .NET 9 give you this. Of course, don't forget, .NET is not focused intelligence. Maybe upgrade is the cloud native solutions. .NET Aspire is very cool. If you focus .NET Aspire last year, maybe this year we upgrade more things. The performance is very good. You can create cloud native solutions. But this time, I thought Aspire is very traditional. Many people think, oh, it can only focus some cloud native. But we just talk about AI. Don't forget that AI and cloud native can build together. So this session, I will talk about how to use the .NET Aspire to create your Gen AI applications. Let's talk about something AI. Maybe you are a .NET developer, or you are a traditional .NET technology in your company. Many people will ask you some question, how to use AI model in local cloud. Local model is very good. You need to use GPU or some CPU accelerator or some build devices has some MPU. Cloud is very easy. You can deploy it to choose different hardware to different things to help you to accelerate model. But how to use .NET to call this AI model? This is one question. Other thing is how to build RAG solutions. The last question, how to build AI a cloud native application. This is very more people to want to get the answers to this. The first thing I want to talk about the model. Many people know that, okay, OpenAI is very cool. You can call it, use API. I think you can use the traditional HTTP client to call this. You can use HTTP client or OpenAI SDK for .NET to do this. But another thing is the open source. You can use different complete open source model to finish your scenario. I think in the future now, many companies choose multiple different models work together. You can choose OpenAI to finish some jobs. Of course, if you has some privacy or industry solutions, maybe you need to think, okay, I use the open source and some data to fighting or build some RAG solutions is okay. So many companies can choose different model. Microsoft extension.ai is very cool. It's the standard middleware. You can use .NET, Microsoft .NET extension.ai, library to build help you to build some AI scenario. I think streamline AI integration with our unified API is very cool. This is a good point to choose a .NET because it can help you to unify API. You can use OpenAI, Olama, or different Azure OpenAI. You can use the unified API to call our models. But this time, maybe we need to think more is build the local solutions. I think and many people to use the open source model. You can use Olama to call the open source model to help you to run in your local environment. So this time, if you focus Microsoft open source model, I think you maybe listen the name Phi. What is Phi? Phi is a small language model. It can help you to deploy different scenario to different scenario with Phi-3. This time, Phi-3.5 is available. You can use the Phi-3.5-mini to finish some text generation or check completion scenario. Another is the Phi-3.5 Vision. You can use this model to analyze image. It can give you some analyze image, some coding and language from image. Another thing is the MOE. If you want to do some AI agent, you can use the Phi-3.5 MOE to do this. Of course, you can use this model to deploy it in your local environment or AI model catalog, Azure AI model catalog, Hugging Face or LIM or Olama, and you can convert to ONNX model. I think many people want to know, okay, I want to deploy it in my edge device. How to do this? You can see why I choose Phi-3. This is very good question. The quality. I think if you want to load the quality, you can check the benchmark. It can give you the result. We have some result is good for some large language model. Another thing is you can run everywhere, CPU and GPU, or cloud native or on devices. And another is the speed. You can see inference speed is very good. Another is the long context. This time, 5.5 upgrade has our very good long context to do this. So this is some benchmark. 3.5 offer high quality result at small sizes. You can see 3.5 mini. If you can see the model quality, maybe it can compare some Llama 3.1, but it has very less parameters than Llama 3.1. Okay, maybe some people say, oh, okay, 5e is good. How to deploy it? You can deploy it to the cloud, just I say in the last slide. You can deploy it on the edge. You can deploy the 5.5 in the iOS, Android, and NVIDIA edge devices. Other thing, you can use Windows Copilot to do this. Maybe this session we focus on edge. Why? Because many people to have the laptop, have the mobile, have the edge devices. So I need to focus some deployment is in the local environment. Many people to think, okay, GGOF is very popular now, but don't forget our ONNX model. ONNX model is very cool. This is very traditional machine learning format before a GenAI. You can use the ONNX runtime to finish some unified format to do this. ONNX runtime can let you to run the ONNX model to CPU, GPU, NPU, and ONNX runtime format or some cloud native. It can help you to accelerate in different CPU, GPU, and NPU. But this time, SLM model, just 5e or Llama or some different open source model can convert to ONNX model can help you to use the ONNX runtime to finish some Gen AI scenario. I think how to do this. This time I need to talk about the ONNX runtime. ONNX runtime is very good. It's open source, but this time we publish ONNX runtime for Gen AI. You can use .NET or Python to call all the local model. This time, if I use the C#, I can use the C# to use the ONNX runtime for GenAI library to finish different scenario. You can see that you can convert the ONNX runtime to and deploy it to the Azure or the devices. Let me to do some demo to you. If you use the .NET Interactive notebook, you can see this. This is very easy to run. I need to zoom on notebook here. You can see ONNX runtime. ONNX runtime. This is the Visual Studio Code. You can see this is the .NET Interactive notebook. You can import the ONNX library or ONNX runtime GenAI library here. ONNX runtime library is very traditional. ONNX runtime GenAI. This time, you can see I use the NuGet to add the package here. Another thing is you need to download the 5.5 ONNX model here. You can download it from Hugging Face and run. You can see I let the prompt is the introduce yourself. You can see the result. This is very good. Another thing is the 5.5. I think many people to choose the Phi-3-mini solutions. This is another choice to this. This is you can use the C# to run it again. So this time, if you want to inference the ONNX model in local, please use .NET. Use our ONNX runtime GenAI library work together. And then when I finish this version, this sample, you can see another topic. Maybe .NET and AI at cloud native. We build many applications. We focus some desktop, some devices, but this time we need to deploy it in the cloud native. I think .NET Aspire is very good tools for you to create the cloud native applications because it provides a consistent opinion set of tools and patterns that help you build and will run distribute application. .NET Aspire is very cool. It can reduce many settings. You just focus some building. You can assess some distribution. Just many sessions in .NET conference, we talk about the .NET Aspire. Another, we can see .NET Aspire can help you to build the generative AI applications with .NET 8 and .NET 9. if you can run different technology, it can support the .NET Aspire. Just like if you want to run some eShop solutions, maybe you can go there. Another is the Semantic Kernel. Semantic Kernel is very good. Another is VectorDB, or another is Streamline deployment, or some monitoring. And here, so AI at .NET Aspire is very good. You can build the AI solutions here, including some RAG solutions. You can use runtime, ONNX runtime to support the Phi-3 and Phi-3.5 model. Another is the semantic kernel model and the Blazor model. Here, I need to share some demos here. This is the .NET Aspire solutions. It can I need to run it in my desktop. You can see this is the .NET Aspire solutions. Let me show you. It includes some API, some UI solution. Maybe you can add different things. Just I build here. You can give me some time. I think this time I open many things, so it's very slow. Give me some time here. Okay. Let me copy the link. So, okay, you can see this is the .NET Aspire portal. It includes some cache, some VectorDB, and some UI and API. The first thing you need to think, okay, I want to call the ONNX model as API. I can combine my Phi-3 ONNX model here to run this. You can see my project architecture. It includes something. This is the ONNX connector. I use the ONNX runtime GenAI to call my ONNX model here. You can see the ONNX connector here. Another thing is you can init your ONNX model and set something and get some prompt to give you some API. I use the .NET minimal API to call the API to do this. Of course, if you open this website, I can go to the Swagger. You can see, okay, this is the API chat. I built the API like the Ollama, a traditional Ollama API. So this is follow the Ollama API here. You can call it and you finish some check completion and use API embed to finish some embedding scenario. Another is the search. You can finish something to search some question and give you some answers here. So I build the API. You can use in different library. Just one thing is .NET extension.ai. You can use the .NET extension.ai to call all the this API. This is very traditional. We can verify this API can run or not run. And I use the .ai extension.ai and extension.ai Ollama because I follow the Ollama API to do this. Another is the you can see when I run the API, I can finish some embedding and check completion together. Maybe sometime you can use doing more, but this time I not only use the API. Maybe you can do some check with SLM UI. You can see I can build a UI here. you can do this to finish some Blazor UI to do this. So this is the .NET Aspire can help you to buy AI or different traditional AI .NET technology together. Not only focus some traditional scenario, you can use the more .NET technology to finish your AI solutions. Okay, let me go to another thing, another topic. Maybe we want to influence the SLM with .NET. This is the .NET extension.ai. Maybe another is your .NET extension.ai can let you to very easy to call different API, different technology together. So we can use the .NET extension AI to do this. Another is the smart component. Smart component is very good because we think SLM is the generative some AI solutions, but we want to use the honest model to finish some embedding. And smart component it help you to finish some embedding scenario. You can use this smart component to organize your embedding scenario. Another is the semantic kernel. If you want to create Copilot or AI agent solutions, this is the framework to do this. It can help you to create very cool or Copilot application together. So this time I will I share you another thing is the semantic kernel solutions with some honest solutions. This is a semantic kernel. I use the connector OLAMA to call on my .NET Aspire API tool. So this time you can do this and finish the good scenario to do this. You can see I use the semantic kernel to create the check completion and test embedding generation together. You can use Phi-3-mini and GenAI together. You can run it and finish some scenario here. Of course, you can embedding your different question and different things together. This is one thing. Another is if you want to create RAG solutions, maybe you can use the semantic kernel to help you to organize different knowledge, including some PDF, or including some content together to finish some chunking, finish something. I use the semantic kernel word together. It can finish. It can .NET Aspire can give you finish some scenario together. The last thing I want to talk about some create your Copilot solution. Maybe this time we want to use my local solutions with Phi-3. This is very big solutions. You can use Phi-3 to just deploy it in the edge devices, and you can inject some data to frightening and the small language model. But more people to focus the writing. You can use .NET and different languages to create some RAG scenario. Is the Copilot application, including some Copilot framework, including some semantic kernel language, and different technology. This time, I use the architecture together. Just here, 5 solutions, including many things. This is the good cycle to do this. Let me share you more to talk about this. This is my solutions. Maybe we know that I have separate the API and the UI together. Many people to think, okay, this here we have the different things because we want to finish some RAG solutions, some chat UI, some API together. .NET Aspire can help you to do this. You can see not only focus some project. .NET Aspire can give you some logs to watch some logs here together. Another thing is you can watch different things. What is the message? What is the monitor? Something is here. You can check together. Of course, the new .NET Aspire, you can stop the different actions here. So this time you can do this together. I think VectorDB, .NET Aspire can support some VectorDB. You can set up VectorDB in the app host. Qgen and maybe the one choice. Of course, you can choose different open source VectorDB to finish your RAG solutions. This is another thing. The important thing is maybe the app host is very important. You need to know. Okay, I add some VectorDB. Maybe you need to set the gRPC port or HTTP port together. Another thing is you need to set the UI word together reference is here. The last thing is the set some API. Maybe you are very familiar minimal API now. You can use this to finish your API setting. This is my full scenario for the .NET Aspire to do this. If you want to know more, please focus my semantic kernel codebook and the .NET website. Another thing is the some topic about the SLM models. This is my session. I think the time is really limited. If you want to know more, maybe you need to read more resources. Thank you very much. I think this time you need to download the .NET. Thank you. Thank you. Join my session. Hope to see you soon.